One morning, the brown bear girl with beautiful blue hair and her husband, the big white bear with green hair and black mustaches, were cooking together in their cozy kitchen. They chopped vegetables, prepared the fish, and made a delicious breakfast. Then the blue-haired bear opened the kitchen cabinet. "We need cereal." She looked on the first shelf. Nothing. She looked on the second shelf. Still nothing. The cereal is gone. The big white bear looked at the empty cabinet. "Don't worry, I'll find it." He left the kitchen and started searching through their giant house. First, he went into the dining room. He opened a large cupboard. There were only plates. He opened another cupboard. There were cups and glasses. He looked under the enormous dining table. No cereal. "I'll keep looking." The white bear walked through a long hallway and climbed the huge stairs to the second floor. He entered the bedroom. He opened the wardrobe. No cereal. He looked under the bed. No cereal. He checked behind the curtains. Still no cereal. Where could it be? He continued searching. The next room was a gigantic playroom filled with toys. The white bear opened toy boxes, looked inside old chests, and even searched behind a giant teddy bear. But the cereal wasn't there. He climbed the stairs to the third floor. There was a huge library. Thousands of books filled the shelves from the floor to the ceiling. Suddenly, the white bear noticed a box on the highest shelf. "I found it." He brought a ladder, climbed all the way to the top, and carefully reached for the box. He opened it, but inside were only old photographs. Oh no, still no cereal. The white bear climbed down and continued his search. He walked through another hallway. He checked the guest room. He checked the storage room. He checked the living room. He even checked the bathroom. No cereal! The white bear was getting tired, but he refused to return to the kitchen without the cereal. Then he noticed a tiny door underneath the stairs. "I've never seen this door before." He opened it. Behind the door was a secret hallway. The white bear walked down the hallway until he found an old wooden cabinet. He opened the first door. Empty. He opened the second door. Empty. Then he noticed a small drawer at the bottom. The white bear slowly pulled it open. Inside was a box of cereal. Finally, "I found it!" The white bear grabbed the cereal and hurried back through the giant house. But after walking for several minutes, he stopped. He looked to the left, then to the right. All the hallways looked exactly the same. The white bear scratched his head. Uh-oh, which way is the kitchen? He had found the cereal, but now he had to find his way back home. To be continued.